Hello everyone, welcome to Study Time. In this video, we are going to see Class 4 Hindi Chapter 14 Muft Hi Muft textbook solution and explanation in English. तुम्हारी समझ, your understanding. हर बार बीकूबाई कम दाम देना चाहते थे, क्यों? So every time बीकूबाई wanted to pay less. Why? So this is first question. The answer for this question is given here. Every time Bikubai wanted to pay a lower price because he was a miser. Next, second question. हर जगह नारियल के दाम में फर्क क्यों था? Why was there a difference in the price of coconut everywhere? The second answer is here. There was a difference in the price of coconut everywhere because coconut comes out of the garden to be sold. So many people's wages were added to it. Due to this, the price of coconut starts to vary. Third question. क्या बीकूबाई को नारियल सच में मुफ्त में ही मिला? क्यों? Did Bikubai get the coconut for free? Why? So the answer for this is given here. Bikubai did not get coconut for free. He had to bear both hard work and trouble. In this way, the remuneration was more than its price. Next, fourth question. They sat under the old banyan in the field. Why do you think the banyan must have been called old in the story? Buddha is old. Bude Barmad meaning is old banyan. So the fourth answer is given here. Banyan tree was very old tree, so it must have been called old. Next, Bikubai Aise. Bikubai was like this. By reading the story, you will know a lot about Bikubai. Tell me a few things about Bikubai. Like he was fond of food and drink. Khane pine ka shauk tha meaning is he was fond of food and drink. He is very miser. He loved coconut very much. So he wanted to get coconut in less money. So he was clever in making things. So I can write whichever you learnt about Bikubai. So you think about Bikubai. Kya bada, kya kada. So what increased, what decreased. Bada is increased. Gata is decreased. As the story progresses, some things increase and some decrease. कुछ चीजें बढ़ती हैं और कुछ घटती हैं, means increase and decrease. Tell them what happened. Did it increase or decrease? Here 1, 2, 3, 4 is given. They are going to tell each increased or decreased. So Nariyal ka dam, coconut price, increased or decreased? So it is decreased. Bikubai's greed, it is increased. Bada. Path length, it is increased. Bikubai's tiredness, so fatigue, it is increased or decreased? It is increased. Next, kaho kahani, tell story. यदि इस कहानी में बीकुबाई को नारियल नहीं बल्कि आम खाने की इच्छा होती तो कहानी आगे कैसे बढ़ती बताओ. So in the story, if Bikubai was fond of eating mangoes instead of coconut, so tell the story how it goes. You're going to imagine the story thinking that Bikubai liked to eat mangoes. Next, बात की बात, read. कहानी में नारियल वाले और बीकुबाई की बातचीत फिर से पढ़ो. अब इसे अपने घर की बोली में लिखो. So you know that you read the conversation between the coconut seller and Bikubai in the story. So now we are going to enact the same in your home. So how will you do so? Hey brother, coconut seller, how much is a coconut? So he says that it is 2 rupees. You're talking too much. Yeah, I want for 1 rupee. So he's saying, have you? You have to take. If you want to take for 1 rupee, you have to go to the market. So he's asking where market is. So he, the coconut seller says it is far away. So he's saying, ठीक है वही जाता हूँ. So I am going to that place. So this is the conversation that you can enact in your home. शब्द की बात. Matter of words. नाना नानी. Patli patla. So with the help of the examples given below from the items of example, you are going to, so like this example, you are going to write for the given 6 words. 3, 4, 5, 6. So kaka is kaki. Malin is Mali. Matka is matki. Darji is darjin. Tokari is tokra. So gadda is gaddi. Next. Mandi here they have given about mandi. So let us see what is given. There was uproar in the market. High voices, unchi unchi awajo meaning is loud voices. First question, Mandi में क्या क्या बिक रहा होगा? What will be sold in the market? Second question, a variety of voices are heard in the market like fresh tomatoes, 2 rupees, 20 rupees, 20 rupees, 20 rupees. 20 rupaya meaning is 20 rupees. What other sounds are heard in the market? So first question is, what will be sold in the market? So you can write potato, onion, tomato, carrot, cabbage, cauliflower, brinjal, sitapal, spinach. So orange, grapes, apple, chiku, papaya, guava. So whatever you know, you can write. Next, what other voices you can hear? Potato, 10.5. Next, 5 of ginger, chili, 1 rupee, spinach, fenugreek, mustard. So all these sounds you can hear. Can you think of a place around you where you can listen lot of noise? Write about that place. So here it is given. There is a market near my house. There are many, so much noise. There are shops on both the sides of the road. The shopkeepers call out loudly to the customers. The market is held every evening. Crowd of people and the voice of shopkeepers are very noisy. So we can describe about the place where you find noise around your house. Next, Gujarat hi Jalak. Glimpse of Gujarat. So free is free. Muft hi Muft is a folklore of Gujarat. Pictures of this. So you would have seen the pictures. So what are the things in which you guess this is a related to Gujarat? So how did you find in the painting, Bikuba's dress, trees, plants, horsemen, gardeners? So how the people spoke each other. From this, you would have guessed that this is from Gujarat Lokatha. Next. So brother is used to honor someone in Gujarat. They used brother. Ben words like sister are used. So in Telugu they use garu. In Hindi they use G. So similarly, children speak different languages. Find out and write what they use to respect someone in their language. What words do they use to respect different words to respect people. See here in Telugu they use garu. In Hindi they use ji. So in Gujarat they used ben and bai. Is it? Similarly, you can discuss with your friends how they use in their languages. In Tamil, we use ayya. In English, we use sir, madam. Likewise, you can discuss with your friends. So here I have given sir, brother, madam. So these things you can use to respect a person. So chapter 14 Muft textbook solutions ends here. Hope I have explained each questions in English. Hope this video is useful and understanding. Thanks for watching.